Hey, I'm Al Cavadlo, and today I'm going to give you some pointers for transitioning from a crow pose up into a handstand. I recommend practicing on grass or another soft surface. First, you got to make sure you're very comfortable holding the crow pose. From there, see if you can remove one leg and reach it into the air. Once you're really comfortable with one leg in the air, then you can try extending the other leg as well. Keep your elbows bent for now. Once you're able to comfortably lift both legs away at the same time, then you can slowly start working towards straightening your arms. If you start to tip over, step one arm forward and cartwheel your legs down. It's easier than it might look. If you find yourself falling back to your feet, try to control the way down as best as you can. Remember to roll your wrists around in between efforts to keep them warm. It's important that you look in front of your hands as you're pressing up, as it will encourage you to keep your weight toward your fingers. It's okay if your back arches a bit at first. In time, you can work on straightening your line out little by little. The handstand is a continual work in progress for all of us. Enjoy the journey. Well, that's all the time I've got for now. Till next time, I'm Al Cavadlo, and we're working out.